Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fine Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my grilled cheese turkey sandwich, okay? And also I'm going to show you guys how I make my yogurt parfait, okay? It's very easy and simple, guys. Let me show you guys what I have for you. I have my bread. As you can see, I started take off the tip, guys, because I don't like when I'm making my sandwich to have this, okay? I have a wheat bread, by the way, okay? All right, and okay, that's it. And I have my granola for my yogurt, okay, and I have my yogurt, okay, and also I have my bacon for my sandwich, and I have all my fruits for my yogurt parfait, and I have my turkey breast, ham, and I have my cheese, my American yellow cheese, okay? So now let's start cooking, guys. As you can see, my pot already warmed up. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to add some butter. Okay, and here I'm going to start with my sandwiches, okay? Okay, now I'm adding my bread, okay, and also I'm going to add knife. Okay, guys. I'll be right back, okay? Come back. Okay, guys, what I'm going to do now for my sandwich, I'm going to add a little butter, okay, on top of my bread, okay, and after I'm going to add my ham, okay, and I'm going to add my cheese, okay, not too much cheese, okay, I guess another one, not too much, but I don't really like cheese, guys, but when I'm making my sandwich, I gotta have some cheese with it, okay. All right, that's it. Okay, now what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add my bacon. Okay. Okay, and when we come back, guys, I'll show you guys what I put next, okay? Come back. Okay, guys, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the other piece of bread. Okay, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to repeat the same thing I did on top with the butter. Okay, now I'm going to, let me see if they're ready. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Okay, you have to squeeze it down, guys. Okay, so the cheese can melt. Okay, all right, guys, I'm going to let that cook and then when we come back, I'll show you guys how I make my yogurt parfait, okay? Come back. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you guys how I make my yogurt parfait, okay? Okay, as you can see, I have my cup. Okay, now what I'm going to do while my bread almost ready, I'm going to add some yogurt at the bottom, my cup. Okay, and I'm going to add some fruits, kiwi, okay, and blueberry. Okay, and raspberry. Okay, guys, once you try that, guys, you will never go in McDonald's or wherever you get yogurt anymore, because this is very easy and very good. And now I'm adding my granola. Okay, another layer of my yogurt. Okay, I'm going to repeat the same thing. Blueberry. Okay, kiwis. Okay, and raspberry. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, a little bit of granola. You see that, guys? Okay, that's it. All right, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish up my bread. Let me flip them over. Okay. Oh yes, they're ready. Okay, you see that, guys? Okay, perfect. When we come back, guys, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you guys what I started. Okay, as you can see, now I have my sandwich. Okay, all my sandwiches, you see that? And my yogurt. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to just add that little parsley next to my sandwiches. Okay. All right guys, that's it. See that, guys? Okay, that's it, guys. If you like this video, guys, okay, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Okay, and give it a try, especially the yogurt parfait. It's very good and easy and simple. Okay, enjoy. Have a wonderful day. Bye.